wanje nyene ho kamera y'inkwija nkemereraho bakande baranyugurira batwaranyugurire
woyemerira omishogo rwijoro umunda nimba ninkureba face nyine na kamera yansi nene kure nebyo ine mpaka bigere torizo kata mfese nkakureba yo nkata kuma ibyo kirize then mayana nakwigure ningatara kwigure jonere extra security then koinshwe kwana untu batera budget yani ikirizo mutera mu cameras omunja hakwenda part of the finishing is one ugamba security of a home no kushangara muna za sekanyura za haha na ngeji electrical wires fence kwenda zibira abashuma kora kutemba mu munsi so ni part of the security.
Kare umurego wa TV Stumurunzi twakutanjera wasiba kurunji eshaha ne yamakuru Agacencwire ibiri ziciro rizuba ryabizoba ry'urwa gatano nebero 12 ibyo kwezi kwa mukaga umwaka ogw'2026 makuru Agacencwire ninzaga kusyaho butunu okuruga ahakashoz boma aho murembo urwambara kandi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na mutayi wanje Sande Brian nitutwijaga kusyaho ko kare katwore cebikure byija bwebembire rero nabanyuma tujaga kuretera mbujwe
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love. Omagacencwire kireki abantu 8 bakwasirwe ahabwo kucekereza abakibamwe bintu by'obukikuru bwa sente omuri Fort Portro
ebya chachi nka carpets ebidongo music equipments zibakozesa
abarwire bemitwe ningasha abashazi beyonjire abebembezi berarukirire omuri Kisoro
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love.
Kare ntongera kutanjera wasiba kurunji eshaha ne yamakuru Agacencwire Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian orumurwo bonero nitutwijaga kusyaho ekireki polisi mu rubuga urwa Fort Portro negira ngo ine omunkomo abantu 8 abo kucwekerezia kandi bakibamo ebintu ebiruko barirwamo obukikuru bwa sente okurugera har polisi abahasho naba bakakora echagareki esabite hwire 8 kandi kurugobwe polisi twirene bahiga
arikugambaho n'abanyamakuru mu rubomo mu rubuga Fort Portro Vincent Westjori umugambirizo wa polisi ahabwe cyanga cha Renzo West niwe yahamye kwatwa kw'abantu 8 abibire bintu mu Kerezia
nibageta Saint Adolphe Mukasa Rudigo it's a Catholic church ya Kerezia abakatoliki esangi bakitumba aroha abazigo abantu bacwire mu Kerezia munu bayi bamwe bintu ebya church nka carpets ebidongo, music equipments zibakozesa, ubuzindaro, n'ebyoma bitumanyire bya public address system ebibirwe, n'ebintu ebindi byekelezia nk'ebisembo n'ebintu ebindi.
Aba bakatwekerezia erikumanya nka St Adolf Catholic Church erikushangwa Kitumba mu rubuga Fort Portal biruka n'ebintu ebirimu nka keyboard, carpet, emizindaro, sente hamwe n'ebindi.
Ngo hari abantu abandi 8 bakwasirwe kuruga lokozi 8 ka ijo. Mu bantu bano sangira ali mu Muhumuza Dan, Kirungi Vincent, Singwire Charles, Odungu Charles Maine, Sanyu Patrick, Singwire Sam, Paise Lilian, Guma Edward. Abantu bano bakwasire kwata twa recovering oba twabasanga n'ebintu ebibiru nka emizindaro ebyokozesa mixers enanga oba keyboards amplifiers n'ebintu ebindi byekelezia.
Nekigamba ngu aba bakatwarwa aha rwija hamwe n'edirisa nikwe kutahamu bakatandika kwetara kandi aba bakahika n'aha kucwa tabiri nakura hari kubikwa obugaato bwo kushembeza bumwe bakaburya kandi obundi bakabunaga.
Ezia San Cristia bachwa urwigi bachwa idirisa yekyoma baraba mu idirisa bataha munda bachwa cupboard bayhamu system ya public address mixer n'ebintu ebindi bigenderaho bachwa vada bwona bayhamu sente zakaboxi akabacheke abakristo bakitumba bakakora umurimo basoroza sente buri sande zo kukonyera abanaku n'abacheke so bachwa akaboxi yako bayhamu sente z'abanaku bachwa na kabadendi naho bayhamu sente zahongerwe asandegi yokutambuza.
Abantu abina makelezio amanamizo batekeho ukozesa ebyuma bino za cameras niziyamba abantu kutayija kamwanya omuntu nokuba twine moving oba is cameras bakata moving objects isoko alarm olimuka ege esimya omuntu ali akelezia oba ali achacha wali achombeko chao ikikuyamba kutera polisi kuri hayi oba kutera abasikari abakulinda oba abalinzi kuyamba okukayiba oba okutachwa munju.
Ubwa nyuma yo kutunga amakuru ya Father Moses Mutangirizi urukora nka bwana mukuru w'ekelezia eji najera ngo eshara akajikwatisa amani akwatanise n'abakristu ahitwaza kuhikira hakelezia eji twashanga batanchire kuhunduza ebyo byone byasisikire otireho no kunyweza ebyo kwerinda okwenda ngo cyabireho kitagaruka kubaho. Amakuru gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.
Webare Jonan Singwire twagumizamu na namakuru ariho kwerarikirira kw'amani mu district ya Kisoro bwanyuma y'omubaro gw'abashazi okweyonzera obwahati abashazi abo nabasibanu barambure town ya Kisoro katurebe ebirukira.
Clinical officer ahirwari rya Kisoro Hospital nagira ngo nubajanja babantu batabukira imitwe abari kwikigana buri kwezi.
Buri munsi tubona abo ku bitanda nabo n'abanyura hano kunamta munani kwezi usanga dukorera abarwayi barenze nk'ijana no kurenga buri kwezi. So ugasanga aba bantu ni benshi kubera yuko uburwayi buri kwiyongera mu mpamvu y'imyuka.
Nagira ngo haruha barwira barukwetenga kugumana banyume bazi nabandi kugumana barungarunga ibyo kurya hamwe n'ibyo kunywa byabo.
Ku myaka 18 ya myaka 50 abo ngabo bari barwayi abenshi turabona nabo ni n'abagore itsina gore kubera yuko hari n'indwara zifata abakecuru nabo ugasanga ziri kubagira icyo bita dementia.
Dr. Immaculate Ainembabazi omushaho orukujanja w'abarwire b'emitwe y'irwareri nagira ngu hariho n'endwara ezirikureetwa enaku kandi omuminyeto nizikwatwa abarikukoresa ebitokoza bwongo n'enjayi n'ebyokunywa ebibarikugira ngu nibibaheereza amaani g'ekishiija.
Ubu uraba utakibayeho utakoresheje inzoga, uraba wagiye mu rundi rurengo rwa addiction, and the moment you get alcohol addiction ubu bizakugora kugira ngo ube wayivaho no kuyivaho, and instead the body keeps demanding more every day. Nibo uyu munsi wanyoye tubiri, the body will get used to 2, tomorrow you will need 4, the following day you will need 6, and those are the people abo turasange ngo batanditse kuryama ku mihare, bari guterura, bari kuvana mu mabara, abandi bari kubazana mu rwariro batazi niyo bari kubajana, akaja kuhaguruka akisanga ari kuri za drip.
Dr. Immaculate nagira ngu n'enkyereza z'abantu nazo zikizire kutabura abantu obwe bari kuremwa kuza mu marwariro bakirukangira mu bafumu n'abandi bakagumana bazo mu makanisa.
Bazi kumenya ngo mukananka niwe yaroze mukananka, amanya ngo muramu wawe niwe yaroze umwana wawe, ugasanga bari gusenga ariko bari guteranya iki ingana. Ibyo nabyo mu ndwara zo mu mutwe bikunze kutugora, ukavura umuntu wamuvura si yakira, sinyira rume wamuroze, sinyira kuri yapfuye avuze ibi n'ibi. So ibyo bintu byo kwifasha imizimu shitani bamuroze tubishira uruhande. Niba wizera Kristo ukamenya ngo Imana yaduhaye umwana wo kudupfira, uri umukristo, tamuraje Kristo, ugeneye ijambo ry'Imana, ukurikize ibyo abasoma baguhabura, then umuntu wawe yakomeza.
Immaculate nagira ngo abashija bingi nibeita ahabwo kugira ngo bo tubari kucera kugamba ebizubo byabo.
Abagabo ntabakunze kuvuga ikibafasheho na cyane aho birimo bifashe mu miryango yabo, mu mago gabo bakunze kubyikubirana, financially bakunze kubyikubirana, and that's why in our status now we are registering more of suicidal tendencies, suicidal ideations. Ugiye kureba inamba y'abagabo bari kwiyahura is more than the number y'abagore bari kwiyahura.
Ahabwira abantu kugumana bareba abantu babo baheza kuhinduka mu mitwarize barawuke kubatwara mu marwaro.
Aho ubonye umuntu wawe uko wari umunsi atanditse guhindukaho, ubuzima umugore hari ukuntu yatereza ku rugo rwe, akabonereza abana be, akabatunganyiriza kuza ku ishuri, ukareba arahindutse, umenye ngo uwo muntu atanditse guhindukaho. Nanga si ubundi ukaboraho ukabona atanditse kuba aggressive, ati mwe muri kuvuga kwiki yuko ubwonko bwe abantu batanditse kugira ikibazo nabwo cy'umutwe cy'unari bagiye kuvugaho, batandika kureba ibintu by'abandi bari kubona kandi bakatandika no kumva ibintu by'abandi batari kumva.
Hasimire bitongore bya government nka police n'ebindi abo kubakwa semeramo yo kujanja abarwire b'emitwe hashabire buryo mu kwerinda icyakubasa kumeretero kutabuka.
Kurisa kubaho neza mu bwonko bwanyu, mwirinde ibyo bita muri bitokoza bwonko, abari ku mapikipiki murebe ngo mwambaye helmets zanyu yuko aho guye hasi ugakomeretsa umutwe wawe kirilayire kugira ngo ubwonko bwawe bwashobora gukomereka, kandi ikintu kimwe cyo tutashobora kugira ngo twatereza. So mwirinde mwambare helmets, mureke kunywa ibitokoza bwonko.
Abantu bone bagira ngo kitumira batabucubaye yongera mu cyangeki n'enshonga z'obworo.
The number of mad persons seem to be increasing, and like any other person around, I am tempted to think that it is either because of a number of factors, maybe domestic violence, maybe poverty, and the like.
Gasha kwa Keita tuzarirwe
nagafashe mu gitondo
kare webare Keita tuzarirwe. Omuramuzi omukuru mu district ya Mitoma agarukiremu okuro rubanja urwo mukazi orukugambwa kuba yarisize umwana owari umukishe mpitirizo 29 bwa nyuma y'orukura emishango okureta obujuruzi.
Kote nkuru mu district ya Mitoma yagaruka mukuru mushango gwa Chabo mu Juliet orukuteka kuba yarisize akamumpa Samuel owari umukishe mpitirizana na mwenda bwa nyuma y'orukura emishango kesu Caroline kureta obujuruzi ku rugamwana ogwe no mushaho hamwe n'abatura.
Zingum pabrabisto batanka zimbera mungu zimira sina ngejo kushira misi
empitizo zo zikaba ziri nyingi abo kuba izindi koshanga zinaganagira mu x-ray konke zindi bona kumigino butakubasa no kuzibara zona zirinka katore konkori kureba igirebe cy'umugino gira ki actually na empitizo mu mcyara kaya gitorekireho yabe natemba kuri akatanda gava kuyabe yariyo natemba akatanda kuri x-ray ya letero mu kibuno umwana wangira ngo ni kintu cyancuta so ikaba arrested bonile obukirenya
abeka basimire ko tkuraka kutaho mu rubanjoru kandi bashabira muramuzi ko mukazi wo gicubire kimushemerire
ubwo mukazi mbwenu batari mutugaruza no kumutugaruza ha cyaro cito eco niye ntekateka yitwine kandi nicyo kuba twakwentushaba ngo batukore
ati umuryeje mbera nkabira ni nyenda ngo berake kwa kote share mu mukazi wo akozire kintu nihatwerekere ngo abire nakore kintu eki nkabe ni shara mu kote turakukizemu eko mu mukazi wo
Sabadiko no wakashenshoro ntwatahire mwari kubatizo mwana ogu ahaba basimire ruhango mu kanisa ya rwibare kitojo muri kashenshero
ya umigana byose bwa Kristo kandi tumtaha kamaniso akomusharaba amakuru byacomba ku rugahati tariko akonshoni ukamya kwa kwitiriza Kristo abandurwe Dr. Mkuru wirwa Rwambara agize ngo bakozere byinshi bashemiza abana bijya bo kumere nushabo kokeje mpituruzo 50 magarago muntu Samuel n'umuntu wo kubanza nambwe ombyafayo byihanga ombyafayo byirwaro ryambara ni manyango ariyaguma mwe robione kandi nana ombyafayo bye ruhanga kuyakunzira mbabazi yamuhobwenje yashoma yari umuntu wo mugasho nyenca kare uriyashanga ngaga makuru nebye byabire bakubereta
Shaba umujuriye takikirizibwe kwetonga nabwo nyuma y'abajuriza umushanju kushobora kubyagenzura muramuza sindikiro mukazi wo mucomenya mushekera kugaruka mu kote biro byo kwa mushanje 2026 amakuru agasha kwa Ben Muhozi
kare webare Beno Muhozo murebe wito murunzi tukusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare no kutorana kureba TV West turiyo makuru agacencire kongo tukirize tumure ukacentu garuka tukusiya makuru agando takarga
Tahu naga kushibwaho
Movit all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Agarukurataho abantu bayeshuka bomo mu rusisira rw'ibyamagara urwo kuragura uburwire bw'amagufa n'imisi umurimbara
Abantu bito mwe n'umwe tubarukunda kuzaguraguza
ahabyo bwegese nibikushikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
kandi hatun ikaba.com katuni numukera katuni kurgo mu kasheshe kuzo mu mwazyo numuhindura cyaneji numuhindura Eliya hakaba mu ba made zo maka to kwenda kuozya siyane nkeje yuwariraho to kwenda kugitegura kajiha ameza to kwenda kweyera munju nkomu katuni nangwa bamwe murga mushasha na misho ushango mwazi no reporting mami hamisha nganshasha utakumanya ngo sibera aha TV the whole day nabashaba nabeshengereza mami ariyo naronda school fees dada ariyo naronda school fees mbaronda other requirements ni waterist mami yajura akatetei katomizi kwari ejo mujoro tumame nakuogeza kateteye kawe nawe nchakare najati nana amanyango cyariyo nayorra nico mujoro dadi yo thank you tozawe nazitero mbazi uti narawacererwa kuyimuka none amango ariyo nayorro musigaza ubwo buryo munjomwe mwe nabashaba nabeshengereza katuni tine kizugasha TV cyano no hindure geneji
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese bw'abantu bukukibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
Are you in panic?
Tonic. Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, Ogito Wagito, Kokamato Chidara, Kabataka Jirem, MC Takiziri. DJ atumwe na wearing ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgomuzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunyumba
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nyukushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Skylight Hotel eresra uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36
ebyo kwomeka byonjera koroba kankwanjurire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi byo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri Mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombecyese cyangana nka bendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 Mbarara Kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 cyenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi roseful nikangara konko byamashemera nobwa mutindo roseful insi yokushemera kwanje
okoraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubyamaje no imukora kushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa roseful rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho roseful insi yokushemera kwanje
roseful insi yebiroto birungi
umukoro kutaliko kofi kombucha barena umukoro wawe kabagambi mbaga ngatiriko kofi kombucha ngaturi Buganda kombucha abantu baje kujja na mugamba umuwara nga Buganda kombucha gana abantu kumbaga aba Buganda kombucha muleta wano kofi kombucha na Buganda kombucha mbaga bagituziride bagambe kumbaga tukuri bantu
Buganda kombucha kari wasingira ukumiroka ne Buganda coffee na yali kurukumiroka. Buganda kombucha.
Kare kurukayo ukumbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo na namakuru agacencwire kandi ageshweka citu ca kabiri umushijo wa maremya kena arwire nsugo kandi arkwejo nsebyomo okozi shagama na yetenga obukwezi bo wazayi no mugisha no mutura wabajaga wo muri Cyabujimbo mu district ya Shema kandi yasemya kena arkurana n'ubusasi obwa rukorabamo bwanyuma yo kurwara nsugo.
Boaz aino mjishani warwire nsugo kandi nagira ngo kubaho kwe hati no kubana ejo nesebyo makozi yashagamo magaraje kandi ndwareje katandika mpora mu 2022 arukushasha umutwe kunka kubagire kucebera bagira ngo arwire pressure
akwane bishika kabarya murumu narwo mukasheshe nahika murumu naterwa umutwe mwinshi gwenda kunyita nagarukumuka ndashirumuka twagumiza mutwaza aha akakliniki akabira katurihi ukuza kupima bashanga BP yanje yahigura umunonga so batandika kujanja ba controllinga BP
nagira ngo bakamuhema bazi yajimera konke mpinduka yabura yagumana yongera kuba kubi nuko kuzarifaro bakamukibera bakashanga rwire nsugo
bwanyuma y'imyaka 2 argamu nsugo baja mu pressure ikaba nyinshi yakera nsugo kurugenge 2 abarnena batandika kujanjaba nsugo
Boaz nagira ngo irobsasi ekizube cyayine no kubura sente kandi obotiriho no kugereka obwagumize ngo kurgayemerero kora embere kamushobaho
ebikora mu byinji obusasi mu bija ishasha n'ubuzo bwa sente ukuba gukora kemera gukora kurw'umwaka gw'ibirabiri nakwatundwara ndi umushija umufumbo ayineka n'umukazomu na nabana bana kubarebera atkunderire kizuba
umbazo guturuho esande tubantu wetenga dialysis turi kushanga tubantu wende sente ziriyo mitwaro 18 twatubarire mwe mbazi na dialysis buri session tubantu bara twari 18 wajibaza mwe sande ejo ne mitwaro nka ashatu nebiri nyungu mukazo tine kindu gukora sente zo tindu kuzibasa nahabwe echo nco kushangiranye n'amabanja ukunoku wayihawezo
Rose Muhindo omushaho mu kugumu kuragura ndwara z'ensugo nagira ngo yomwahamagasho y'ensugo no kujigenesha gama hamwe no korenkari kandi kuzuru kurwara umurwire natandika korese byomo kujigenesha gama ekero kumanywa nka dialysis
bona ndwara zindi ezukuwaza akajijena kensugo kakaguma mukarabya mu bintu ebitashemeye kumanya ushobora mushanga hatikagira mu buzima ekigambo kirimo konka ndwara zikuteganza akajijena then twinemo even simple things nk'umushija gw'ensiri ntabwo ita simple but it is not a simple thing
ogunagira ngo mchanga cyankore cyona burizo bantu batunga abantu barukika 30 ayirwaro abino burwire bwensugo kandi urwiro buno buretwe bintu bingi ebirumendo arashikari hamwe na pressure
isate kutuma umuntu namwara ensugo commonest ninga ekitukumanya omunsi yona number 1 ushukari bino washukari ineko mukudamenjinga emisi y'omubiri totsotiche kutukuba turi umusigo shukari wetiteganiza pressure nacho causing you
endwara y'ensugo n'emwe aha ndwara ez'abashaho barikurabura abantu okugumana bakebeza buri kiire hamwe n'okurya ebyokurya ebikuyamba ensugo nk'eminekye ebijuma nk'enyanya hamwe n'enkoko okubaasa kugyerinda okwera bowazi nobaasa kurabira aha namba z'esumezi nooti 778254111 eri omu mazina ga bowazi aine omugisha ninga eya nooti 753 nooti 8317 eri omu mazina ga Sharon Namanya gashakwa Edison Kinene.
Webale Edison Kinene kandi nitwongerayo iraka ryitu aha munyambabazi wena owakubasa kwa nahwira omushiju gwe bambe akagumana akozesa ebyuma okozya ensugo ye. Reka tugumize mu namakuru akakiiko k'ebyobururu omu ihanga kabinjira omushango gwa Philip Mbabazi obire nayenda ngu gashazemo abesimbira omu karuru ako kugarukamu okutorana chairman owa district ya Kikobe.
Philip Mbabazi wabira singira akaruru k'ekigombe kya NRM akatwara omushango mu kakiiko k'ebyobururu arikwetombwita ngu akakiiko kakanga kumhandiko kwesimbaho omu karuru kokugarukamu okutorana chairman wa district ya Kikobe kandi kahandika abandi abatakize emikono yabine kubashagika. Eki kitwirekyerarikiriza aba NRM abahire bendera y'ekigombe Padexembo owabirayire kwehandikira nka independent okusya bw'omushango gubingirwe.
What does this mean? It's not a celebration really as such that probably Philip has lost and Paddy has gained, because we know Philip is still NRM. We are only saying that the process that the party and the electoral commission undertook gave him the opportunity for a fair hearing and for justice to be seen to be done.
Nyongera okubakubiriza obumu kyekisinga obukulu kubanga tumanyi bulungi nnyo nti waliwo abaali bawagira oli yasooka okufuna flaga mu kamyufu ate ne wabeerawo n'ono gutwa flaga oluvannyuma lw'oli ng'alemereddwa okufuna ebipapula. Kaakati wakati mu byonna tumanyi nti of course kya butonde wabeerawo abantu okweyawulayawula, naye mu kino mbakubiriza abantu bannakikobe okubeera obumu.
Jane Arisemera babiya komishona w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu omu kigombe kya NRM najja nkwate nibaza kuganira na Philip Mbabazi ayikirize baciremu nukwatere campaign ya Padexembo.
Kasta kyali muto n'obwi n'emyaka erukwiji nasobola kwemera kandi asobola kwemera mu bikaro ebindi na kinu kyenyini nabweki areke kukwamu amaani amanye nti obwire bwe butabebwe. By that time ntuje kumusaba abatekanize buli kimu kyona nkoko akaba ina omutima gw'okwesimba ayongera yesimba.
We want to request all the members that were supporting Philip, all the NRM that were supporting Philip, and we say yes, this could have happened, but Philip will still have another opportunity. For the party unity, we should all come together and now rally behind the flag bearer who is Paddy, so that the NRM in Kikobe remains united, remains strong.
Dr. Rosemary Nansubugaseninde orukure byo kuronda obushayiki bwa NRM yashaba abanyakigombe okwikiriza ebyabireho kandi bakashagiko wahirwe bendera y'ekigombe.
Electoral Commission ya omusango yagugobye kati fenga abenare mwate kyongedde okutugondeza omulimu kubanga tumanyi bulungi nti waliwo obumu ababadde bakyayinamu obwa Thomas nga bakyagamba katulinde kakati tebakyayina kye balinda n'olwekyo ffe kigenda tugondeza omulimu kwongera kubakatiriza kubanga abasinga obungi babadde babuuza nti kakati ate watya senga Electoral Commission esalawo ekirala
kandi amahura ago nkusaba abanyakitebe ba NRM batekane kandi kikaba nikihika omuntu wena bwabamu okwetomboyita kirungi agende bamuhulirize okuhuliriza kubaireho ensonga bazitunuramu kandi Electoral Commission undi pano ya commissioners batunga enchwamu enyakuizire etyo
ekaba decision etali free and fair, so nkanyogwe decision ejo ngikondeminga abokuba RDC akakikola kimanyisise RDC ya Rwanda gatekemu pate ya NRM system niko alemeso wa NUP obwiro bwahereireho ono owine flag obwiro bwamuhereireho flag bakaba mutumire emikono 11 so within minutes emikono 11 akagifuna hata buri umwe cyo nikyakuye habuze.
Akakiiko k'ebyoburuka kahandika abantu babiri owa NRM Padexembo na Fenecansti manyiro w'ekibina kya NUP omukaruru kogarukamo kutorana chairman wa district ya Chikube akarabaho 2018 kwezi oku. Amakuru agashako Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto bo abarukushomo bushaho obonansi hamwe na n'obuzarisa bashabirwe kore mirimo yabo na n'obukugu bareke kukwatijaga amagaraga barwire obwe abaruko bizire kubarondaho ngo babahwere okushabuku kwirweyo Dr. Medad Twina Masko ubwabira rya mukoro go kushabira beji abarukuza gukora bigezo na no kurahiza bebembezi ahari Evelyn Health Training Institute.
Omukoro gwo kushabira beje abarukushoma obunansi n'obuzarisa aba Evelyn Health Training Institute abari kuzakora ebigezo gutandikire no kushaba kanisa ya Kyamugorani Church of Uganda.
Your calling day by day you add a brick. You have been called to be a professor, maybe in medicine, but you don't know. You don't know. Ask your neighbor, are you really aware of what God has called you to be?
Every time we are going to do examinations, we always come here. And God has always answered our prayers. And we know this time He's also going to answer our prayers. As I said earlier, He will do it again.
Aba bashabirwa kore mirimo yabo yobushaho no bwesigwa bakareka kore birukushisho murimo gwabo kuko ibembazo mu marwariro okwata barwirijaga hamwe nebindi.
Tumanya munonga ngu ihangeri turukubura abebembezi kwiyahondo burabebembezi abino uvunanduzibwa abino mwete bwo kwereza ihanga ryabo. Ihanga turukubura abashaho turukubura abanansi kwiyahora ubuzira abanansi abino mwete abine okwetwa kwihanga ryabo okwetantara obushomankuzi ningasho cyo mujungu arkweta integrity.
Nurses in the country. We are training our nurses to be the best nurses in the country. And I'm very sure that when these nurses go out, when they go out, they will serve Ugandans in the best way possible. Because I'm sure we have trained them and we are continuing to train them, they will be the best nurses.
The incoming is almost Gaddafi.
Habiro no kuraiza bebembezi kandi abashabirwe gukora umurimo gwabo no bwesigwa.
Welfare Minister Ahewa Derek, our religious minister.
Talking with young people gives me an impetus. Precisely because when people tell you that you are the leaders, this country is yours, there is no doubt about it.
You must at all times demonstrate that exemplary nature. Because when I saw my predecessor getting a pass, I said I will be a guild president with excellence in service but also in academics.
Ebigezo by'abarukushoma obunansi n'obuzarisa byatandikira izoba kwetorora ihanga ryona. Ndi Anita Atukunda.
Webare Anita Atukunda katumureho tugarwa n'amakuru agandi.
Gomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kache kambarara ufutandika ni 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura 5 ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kuleba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi okuleba nyamishwa nazo ni 10 zonka mungena b'amakorera mahango hamwe n'amache abaza banks telecom companies za companies ikora byo kunywa abahinja abatunyi n'abarisa abari kora byo mikono abari kugubura imyenda enkeito abamabara amahoteli n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena nimwetwa nije murebe nyamisha engabiya embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse y'umurembe egali yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushanju ibiri anana mukaga kinana mukaga
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Like a daily bando. Omuliro nguwulira mulingo mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, enendongo ya kusabula. Mikono free of fire, free of fire, free of fire.
Otaferwa kureba omukoro gwo kujweka abeegi ba Kampala International University ogw'omurundi gwa 3 niguza kworekwa live ningashi butuno ahambeho za TV West Bukede TV1 hamwe na One Luo TV orwa mukagoru okutandika na shahi na zakasheshi
Uganda akaniko kirekawo ko kutambura okamanya kandi tukegita hamwe omukurwana sendi yambi jata malnutrition yagita Olympic Day Tokyo Run 2026 orwirukoru ruraba ebiro byo kwezi 20 kwa mukaga 2026 omuchaye cya Bushenyi ansi yo kugira ngo tambura oyeje kandi omanye bya nutrition care yende yanungi kiryabwawe kwiruka kilometero 5 ikome ningaberne Uganymo yegita yanga ryona abwo kwiruka bwendi yanunje ekiti cy'exercise byonka buri kigere cyo kwiruka ni chwera abanya-Uganda biriki abakero bato abaryembetebe kadso rugendo rwabo orwo kuzomudaka 2026 okweta bo mu rwirukoru shashore mitware 3 necyoka yonka bakwereze running kit yahandisari olympictokerun.com Olympic Toke Run eshagikirwa ba Toke the presidential initiative on banana industrial development Jete PBD ekwata nisena Uganda Olympic Committee yirukabwe ndya nungi oyirukabwe kukunda Uganda kumanyeri kutira utere semeji ningo za WhatsApp note musanju 82 note 93 note 2 ninga note musanju ina ananitano note emwe 25 omwirukanje mukuru naza kubari his excellency yowereka kutamuseveni president wiyanga yitu ya Uganda kandi tugayereze kurahira no musiyasya nkauka China nkaburo
From 11 June to 19 July, everything can wait. The FIFA World Cup 2026. Catch all 104 matches on 4 dedicated channels, live on SuperSport, only on GoTV.
Twagumizamu n'amakuru agacencuira g'icika citu ca gashatu abantu nyamwinji bayeshuka umuruboma ho mu rurembo rw'ambarra umurusisira rw'ebyamagara urwo kuragorra abantu abintu burwiro bw'emisi okushanya romberi hamwe na namagufa kandi orutebekanisibwe TV West hamwe na Radio West bakwatanise n'aba physiotherapy services.
Orusisira rw'ebyamagara ninga health camp yabegenderire kuragurira abantu abinobuzo bo misa magufa hamwe no kunanura omubiri kandi tebekanisibwa aba physiotherapy services bakwatanise na Radio West hamwe na TV West n'ekigenderwa cyo kusya abantu obuhereza bw'ebyamagara hihi.
Was a result of our many clients for various reasons would not be able to stay in Kampala to finish their sessions and hence requested us to bring these services nearer to them. We also hope to serve people beyond Barara like Kabare, Bushenyi, Fort Poto, Rukunjiri, etc. What is also unique about our clinic here, it is located, its location that is accessible to many people. It is near the Barara Referral Hospital, and other clinics are also close to the University Inn, where we have a special arrangement for those who may be coming from far and need to stay for some days at a subsidized rate.
Obubonero burereka ngu oyina indwara ezi. Omubonero obu harimu okushasha kw'enyama y'omubiri, okushasha narukurura obuzima obukutambura omunki omubiri nari emisi, kushanga washarara, kushanga nohura nk'omuriro oguri omubiri gwawe, nari kushanga oyine feeling empasi zirikutambura omubiri gwawe.
Robert Mugabe Kachebezi Meya wa Mbarara City niwe yiguro health campaign kandi yashaba abantu ogumana bazoma rwaro kutunga obujanja bibukiri kare.
Nanyenyoka ni pereza obuhereza bwa bushi free mwiruko muze babacheberewe konka twinekisi bucha abantu bito mwe n'umwe tubarikunda kuzakuraguza omuntu nayenda kuzakuraguza yanogire okuza kuchebeza amagara kuzayongo bakurebe oshango umuntu atakifire konko cheza kunoga wabirekerago hatobona kwimukaho oshango bunde cyabibe cyo kutamburwa buriya oshango kiba cyagenze.
It's about restoring of strength. Physiotherapy no garra restoration. Nechimasanga mani omakufaga bwiremu ngumwana hatana ebebara kweze muzakugarura mani dokutambere healing then bikijangu and walking again ngogara ko tambore ko kwabiro tambura nuko abantu bakigira derbaja ultimately God ultimately where hangana chikora na healing nabwo cyo abantu bakunyetaha rahanga na jena nebi na tamu.
Filbert Akankwasa wa Radio West na TV West yajangwe kintu bachikoroga ruza abantu obwo barikwetebekana so kujaguza kinhiro cyo mwakogu.
Of course ibyo naturiyo tukora abo kugira itoka Radio West tujya kujaguza imyaka 2007 muhereza kandi imyaka 2007 tugarra abantu betu kugira ngo tubitonde ibiro byonka kucakara hayi n'abantu batumanya kwe abantu kabana bashasha so twabona services nk'izi nari twabona ibitongore nke byagera ngo nigenda kwija kwatarisa bitu tubyakira ni mukoni so ni uko buryo bwo nabaza kujya hino kwenda kuyamba abantu bitwaburisho binekisi beje mushikira mutureba kandi of course ibyo tubantu byite bikanisa kushaka imyaka ya 2007 muhereza
Radio West neja kujaguza emyaka 2007 mazuro mbuhereze bira 2005 byo kwa mushanju omuchayi kacheka health campaign yaberiye yizoba rumwe omuganda makuru abarikwegitiro 2000 bahabwirwa butashororo mu nganda n'amadini babane benda kutunguka ebi bwamburwa mukorwa abanyaka kono twatanse group omugombora ya mashisi ngiro notho babiri bahindo bwebembezi bwabe kibina cyabo
ekima bintu bindi kwanga no butamanya kino cyo kubanza ekindi no kwangana omu bintu ebitine mugasho nkedini enganda ningashomuka kuna ikankare boko muri kwatanusana reba harukundo mwetero mungabo
abari kwegitiro mu kibineki bagambire cyabagemeserize kwegita
presente tuzurundana hamwe nk'ekitori abantu bazehora babasa kutunga mu zirimo tugoba tuce zobasa kutuyamba kushamisa abana bitu nuko basa kuyamba amakagitu
twasitandire twareba ngitsebe ku bantu yambana ombuzibu na munonga woferirwe memba ko kuboferirwe tukaka senti kabasa kutambuza obibiri mweje yofu
abahona bahabwirwa ngo begite nke bine byo muri nyakakono bakoresa ko batyo bongere kwetungura ndi Anta Tukunda na Ruth Nwamanya.
mwebare abanyamakuru bitu we umukama uwo bukama bwa bunyoro kitara Dr. Solomon Gafabusa iguro wo kubanza na numugowe Margaret Karunga Adeli tubabasize kwika aha mukorogo kushaba okutebekanasibwe umuringo ogo kujaguze mpango eyo murundo rwa 32
omukama w'obukama bwa bunyoro kitara Dr. Solomon Gafabusa iguru kubanza izoba lya nyuma abaze 11 kwezi kwa mukaga nubwo hikize emyaka 32 okwihaza hangoma y'obukama bwa bunyoro bito bukama tubasize kukora emukoro y'ebyobuhangwa okushaguza mpango nkoko bitwire koreka abadiziroho kushaba okukora mihakanisa ya St. Peter's Cathedral duhaga omurembo rwa hoyima echo mutane kibireho omukama hamwe n'omugore wa Margaret Karunga Adieri tubabasize kukika ha mukorogu nuko mwishirwa w'obukama Andrew Kirungi byakutaga okugamba ngo bona barwire
nimukimanya nti kirabasajja akomera ali hano kino baita bwensasi tikikusoboka kabisa abantu tugere ku kusabira kandi kusima sicho kuruhanga abakwati musabire no bucheke ubwo nawe yakwera ali hano baita kisobokere abakwati bucheke kunyire ekena ekyo ilimuha ebizibu kusanga
omushirwa byakutaga ashoborira habwenchuwe ari mu office wenka no bwenchire yahwireyo
cabinet okuba kirabasajja wenka no yusobozi ukoma cabinet ukoma ogura nawe tikirinti omuhikiro byakutaga akwenda kukora wenka rundi takwenda kukora koma cabinet abampuliriza bakusitayi yakutaga rundi omuhikiro tayina busobozi bwokoma cabinet senda busobozi bwokoma okuratu nawe haikaire ebitekerezo bingi okuhanura kwingi twakaija notikisa president mirundi 3 tumusobora ekizibu ekiroho president natwa magezi natwa okunihira ngwaija kukora ekikora
unity, the state of being one in purpose and mind, being one kine kigendererwa kim obumu bagaitu omukazi nagiba bali bumu by the goals they have set for their families they want to achieve purpose
ati roho nagamba ngo byensi bereke kumana abantu
kusere tu ngogoza muri yunjiri yense nakifokekia gati kusanga abantu ngo kwigirisa Yesu nabakaisuka okujuna kulema okusere tu ngogoza muri yunjiri yaki
abebembezi bingi bakira mu kushaboko
kingdom buli kusima umukama na administration yayi abo impinda hinduka ibakomere no kusima administration abo kulinda kurungo kukama wadu mukama alina kyali mu nsasi bali kumutulindira kurungi no kulinda ebintu byone by'omukama kusima administration yenu mukayire kana kataito muno kasobere kukoraho impinda hinduka nyingi na developments nyingi
omukama Dr. Solomon Gafabusa iguru wo kubanza akaza hangoma 2011 kwa muhaga 1994 bwanyuma ya President Museveni okugaruraho bwebembezi bw'ebyo buhangwa gasha konwaga ba Ambrose Katoto
webare Ambrose Katoto w'umuhwezi wa mufto muri Ankole na Kigezi Sheikh Abdara Katamba ayahanangirize abasiramu omuri ibanda okwego kukora okwega enkora yabiko yeguze banyuma ya President Museveni okubahereza intandikwa Sheikh Katamba abira ry'omujenyi mukuru aha mukuru ogwo kutangira Sheikh Yusuf Karure district kadha wa Ibanda oruziremeka okutunga empaji ya katano ey'obusiramu
Sheikh Yusuf Karure obwa hato yonjiru hechtinisa cyo bwa haji nomwe habebembezi igana 50 n'abedini y'obusiramu omwihanga abakwatirweho President Museveni okuzakura magomuri meka bwanyuma yo kuhendera kura magoku
Haji Yusufu Karure agarukira muri Banda kandi ba imam hamwe n'aba Amirat bamwakira mu kitinisa cy'umutano.
Sebo RDC omu Uganda yona okurugirira omukushaba kwa His Eminence Mufti President asponsoringire abantu 105 country wide na nyumbalire abantu babiri bari 150.
Okurugera Haji Karure okutunga ekitinisa eki norabo mu bintu bigumire nga izoba rya Arafat eriyo kwemerera hamushano kurenzesha mukaga.
Constitution ya Uganda Business Council kazamo amendment abakyara bakaba batayine mu position konkabo amufti kureba hari yatekamo abakyara kato abiri tutongoza Women Council ingira emyaka nk'ebiri nyuma President yagira ati abakyara nabatandikisa na 2 billion yaziteko mu shaho yabo konka 2 billion aba Uganda yona nozireba mu nesentenche ukagena katutandikiraho
so mbenanisha bango abanyibanda abakwa bariya nabakorga he amurike tkorere tunguka ibyanga bitu tugiziremu bufuta bwa trade order konka not only Ibanda, it is countrywide. Obukere countrywide tubire turi disorder hati mwe tuyotsa online kobe noza na streets zeitwaha ushange bizimbe biteyireka mukungu beri zigzag hati ko kwemera street really orebera kimungu nawe it's a town itano.
Sheikh Abdara Katamba uri umuhezi wa Mufti Mubaje abwankora mu nakigezi nubabira y'umjenyi mukuru ha mukorogu kanda yahanangiriza abasiramu kwakira ingeri ya President Museveni eyo kutandikaho sako y'obusiramu.
Agira tumukoreza sako nibo bahari mu patere musente nabwo ruzibyo nzija yenda kwebaza abibanda sako mwadiri Stalin mwe bari mnonga mutema amani abeni mbesi baruho modele kubegesa ngo mugasho kunonga mubanze mutemu mubike na iza President nziza zongereho muza kuba mwekuze ari ikintu kibi ko kushanga nto mucyara iworiyo wakameza all the time norebo mushija ko yaza kugenda ati nsigira heza kameza ubu yagaruka za mazi tuzamara saje konkatu waboriyo mu kibina nkecho abacyara mwamuriyo mbibina nkebyo mukihayo sentezo tizo kuteka mu magoba mukagenda mukazikozesa ahakaduka kawe hariya ukongeramo nyincakare nebeduka yamani
gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe
webare Timothy Mushabe twaza kumara utugarukana makuru agibyemizana.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
I'm called Awidi Isabella. I'm studying from Villa Maria School of Nursing. I've won a school fees with the MTN Momo. This school fees you win for a full year, which I'm very happy for it. I thank MTN Momo for helping me in paying my school fees.
We've paid all the fees for the year.
Thank you very much, because on Wednesday, the principal told me, look for my man and bring my man. I told her, I don't have money, and you have to wait until I get the money. But when I left our office at 3, they called me that you have won the money from Momo. I said, how does it happen?
As long as you pay school fees using Momo, you stand a chance to win school fees for a year. Dial *165*80# to win school fees for a year and more.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Kale makuru g'ebyemizano team ya district y'Isingiro yatandika kubi impaka ez'ekikope kya Ankole Cup bwanyuma y'okuteerwa ba Rwampara na goals 2 aharyemwe aha muzano ogwazanwa kya Kinoni omu district ya Rwampara. District y'Isingiro nabo ba champion ab'empaka z'ekikope kya Ankole.
Elizoba Agacencwire kino mushagwamani okwatu hanu Rwampara abo kubana bo tuyakuza kutandika niyo first game yitu kandi ndakusima abanyisingiro bijo mu bwinji akandi abazibona barabanyisingiro so nimbasima okutambura okugaye barwahona okwiza kujya base kutenesingo mpira ko guratambure so kandi ndakumanyisa abantu mwenambu iyo wori omunyisingiro kumano kudisingiro nakachana kanga ko areto kateka timu yitu ntaza gukora ikintu cyango munonga abo kwa abana bita kureba kuza kuzana n'abana bita kujya kuza promoting talent zabo abo ko empire kitu kugizana obwiro bwinje oshanga kino muntu oba sportingamu oshanga nyice kari yabo muntu wamani ayihanga
Singiro nketwire ine kikopo cha Ankole kuba niyo yagaruke katware kikopo konka ekigenderwa cyo mpira tukusinga konka ekigenderwa cyo mpira ogo gwa Ankole Cup no kwegita abantu ba Ankole abantu abari kuturo muri Ankole abazarirwa Ankole abanyankole abakiga omuri Ankole kwegita tukakora timu erije kubanezana na region zezindi ekya kabiri kureba ngo twagumye obumwe kunde ndi member parliament w'Isingiro ntaba member wa parliament w'Isingiro yonka
kale ebyo nebyaba achayi ekya Kinoni omwabazi gw'erizuba omu district ya Rwampara emizane dijo nejagumizamu twine ompira hagati ya Kazona Kiruhura ahizobiri ya Nyicakare district ya Ntungamo neija kutaya Isabushenyi ahizoba area Sunday omumpaka ez'ekikope kya Ankole omu makuru gandi empaka ezo kwirukangeza amashomero ga senior ahabwa district ya Shemaz tebekanisibwe kuba harwa kashatu urwe Sunday kwija wahachayi Kabuhe kandi team zone z'amashomero garukurengo muri 20 nizo zirikwija kureta bo mu mpaka ezo.
Ubwanyuma yo kurangira rekireki team zidara zimwe na zimwe mu district age zitandikire kwetebekana so kwayana ebiconco mu mpakezi ubwo ziri kutebekana sempaka zo kutora nabazana barabajwekere Abamasiyo vocational school muri Shema batebekanise mpakezi nyuma y'abazyo ezibire zirimo kwirukanga okuguruka hamwe no kurekera aho abazana barukurenga 20 batori no kujwekera ishomerero mu mpakezi za Shema ahizobere ry'ikiro cy'emizana yishomerere bagizereho nakire ko kushemererwa habeje hamwe n'abazire borekera amashemererwa garengero kureba umweshongo ziti power abeshongorire byeshongoro byebero kurenga 15 ubwo bamwakiriye nko mugabe kandi kwatandikire bagumane beshongora nawe ubwo abandi bari kumuhereza biconco bya sento butaheza kandi ari kuhendera asiyemera mukuru w'ishomerere Gideon Mucungu zabo kumuhagira mu rugendo rwo kweshongora
Master. Wari gahunda ya masoro. Ko shija no ya ndetogo. Mutero bugaruko. Abakusiriza tiporo kamereta kunoya. Ndo muntu.
abazana bakoze urukurunjo mu mpakeze bahirwe biconco kandi abenji ya Mandela nabo basingira ubwo bahirwe n'ikikopo ahagati yo kujaguza.
Twagoye chikopo tuboze twara nyuma twaza twashwara izobeti nimpora nyina mashemerero kandi nimpora nyina kujya twara chikopo
Mandela House pura tsemeriwe abantu tumaze imyaka musanzu twara chikopo onga ingamba twahise mirundi ebiri kandi promising na next year garaka twara
kongabeje nyenda kubasima abo kunda Masiro Vocational Secondary School umwishomere mumaze mu myaka 19 yo mu bushiko so buri kimwe cyona ekitwire nikibaha nikimanya onkanyenda kusima munongo kukira munonga editisha ubutino bwiro umutero umugara
Abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama
webare Aloysius Byamukama imbozejo niyatusiyaha muhero gw'amakoro gitagacencwire agizobero abanaga kusiyahunde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na mutayi wanje Sande Brian no rumo rwo bonero itwendzo kurara kuronje.
Eshaha zabisha tuzechiro na when you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Ukumbereba ne kukibaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe ne korera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program Ukumbereba you wanna bereba nyenda kubasima by the way abantu nubatureba omu Uganda jona na understand Kongo abakongo abanyankore bakongo batureba ba Rwanda abatanzania abanyankore bakura urunyankore program y'ijino bagireba habo mu gisaraure uwo mu family ya Yohana na family ya Yona abakanungu program y'ijyo mugire biroro must kumara kasoketani kainza kwa sindi kirembogo zabu sindi kujohereza trosa jo baretera abuka abakanungu mwebare yes embogo kumbucha orebeke ngo waguma nonywa abantu bari bine bintu bingi bakunywa bia iwe bintu byokore batakubugamba arumana bakwenda bize bakore advert yibi kujye byo tukanga iware batwagira ngo tugambe mbogo a TV ya government bino manya utagiteka question mark now Ugandans abantu batanje kutora for granted azan tunizi kubana uvuga ukashanga uruguto ruclosed closing uruguto no banza waha abantu obwire waraba mweberango kumara nko kwezi azo rugutoru no main road nsa kwantu rigura ausindika social media oteko mahura kuko muntu kubaine base inabantu nkaga na mukaga achikankarwe bikona kashangoro guto urucingira iwe none oreba konka tukumanya kuteganisibwa kubasa kubaho basa abantu kagana mukaga tine yashoma kapapura ko akapande kona kuyo yareba ngo load closed cyo kipande cyareba obabire mbaza kucinga uruguto rwa mpiki it all nka 6 months we are going to close nsapantura bampiji we are sorry for inconveniences ebyapa babandi so that abantu be preparing not tukwitaga katambara ntumango ruguto nturabampiji then bariyomba kora hari yortindo which is okay konka aro ruguto rwambarara harwe bukona nyonkize churo shankina na shanga road closed naichireho nyino kwanza nagarakayo otembe kamkuzi okushuma oruguto tukozere hariye byina hariyo mucucu wa closing twabasa kwandika abantu ibarara you assume ngo abantu bana bamanyambara it's bad wanyetegereza it's very bad kukwata nkarwe bikono kaje closing na haro petrol station aretse menchombe kataro reason oruguto turwanyu norwito. You cannot cross a main road. Omdachikanje munonga omuntu yazambarara araho omwana wo mugigo ntakwenda gamba abaramanye n'umwogo akarabo naza Kampala side za munyonyo kiyazagarka kasanga yavuge moto no musigazo muto oruguto no barweta express tabamu road block express tabamu ko tabamu motoka zicwekanisa koka kiyagire garkari yo speed zigana chenana akatabasa kusaba taramanye ngo yafa akana wono ko nabamuzikire tine kibazikire bakakataro it's bad konga tine bantu barachigambiro bakaronda abantu abakuloza injiro omwanya omuhando you know nabwo cyo abakuloza ngemanda nabeshengereza it's not proper omuntu yarabaho mukasheshe yagarkasha mwenda closed ebyapa mukutera muhandike je byapa hati wano closinga imaba kumanya rwebukona ecyapa cyo kubanza kisemere kuba kiri kisemere kwa kiri abaforo ecyakabiri kiruharo ecyakashatu kirya kipira kwandika kando kanika no muri nyankode no mu rujungu oruguto rwarwe bukona turucingire oruguto rwarwe bukona turucingire I mean that's abokuba no muzakurukora abukatumukurukora busha ngo tubatire rumunga ezo ne sete zitu sumwa yabokore ngute ntindezo mureka kugira ngo mutu yamba no way umushimire kuzukora government simira gukora intindo zitu nabwo eco abantu abakora bintebyo nanyenda kwateko mbuteka iyo ndebire tash na gamba webare kumanya abantu bawo because ebintebyo kubaho these politicians local leaders you should always come on TV to explain so tash nyenda kwebaza webare abako jireho wagira ngo it's not proper kano shamiza whether it's what you are going to say it's proper no abantu ko kwagambira mwashimambaza ko bakorora guto alo but kororo guto they should always have an alternative kateto tukanyangara taruno mwebembezo wize kutugamba tukanyangarira kumaranka meze mukaga nturabo mucucu kurugari na abanyamitanga twasafarenga to kinkujuke bya katete kandi mpranaro ko moyo re campese program no kwankubereba iwe no verebo
okumbereba yaba ni ku kiburo
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe ne korera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
abeka y'omugenzi ndi yakika kyosamu ababumbirigara n'obusaasi bwingi nibabikishe boyosamu ndi yakikachi owafeera Kampala nazikorwa mukaaga 13 kwa mukaaga 2026 omumakaje bumbire kutandika na shaitano zakasheshe babikira Right Reverend Johnson Twenomushuni, Bishop Western Kore Diocese, Dean St. Peter's Cathedral Reverend John Makuru, Uganda Revenue Authority Fraternity, Mr. na Mrs. Enoch Byarhanga abakamwenje, Engineer Silva Mugisho abumbirigara, abanyabuzare n'abanyamukago, omugenzi mukama amwechumuro cy'ubuntu.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
otaferwa kureba omukoro gw'okujweka abeegi ba Kampala International University ogw'omurundi gwa 3 niguza kworekwa live ningashi butunu aha mbeho za TV West, Bukede TV1 hamwe na One Luo TV orwa mukagoru okutandika na shahina zakasheshe.
Looking sharp has never been this easy. Welcome to Bright Suits. Be your own label. Located at La Grand Mall, High Street, Barara, Level 2, Shop number 5. Right in the same building with Equity Bank. At Bright Suits, we customize premium office wear for both men and women. Plus, wedding suits, graduation suits, Kawunda suits, and more. Whether you're dressing for business or your big day, we've got the perfect fit for you. Call us today on 0751 075 108 or 0777 081 196. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Bright Suits and check out Taylor at Omowazizi on X, formerly Twitter. Bright Suits, be your own label.
Well, hello there and welcome to Focus on Africa, coming to you live from Nairobi on BBC News. The headlines. African teams prepare for action at the FIFA World Cup this weekend after South Africa's dramatic opening defeat to Mexico.
The very first problem was what our coach did to us. You cannot walk into an opener defensively.
Meanwhile, Nigeria marks Democracy Day as President Tinubu urges armed groups across the country to surrender or face the full force of the state.
Over 13,000 terrorists have been neutralized in the past year. But we also keep the door of surrender open.
And also coming up in the program, scientists say that El Niño, a natural weather pattern that influences temperatures and rainfall around the world, has officially begun and could trigger more extreme weather events.
The potential change this time is that we have a 50% chance of having what we call a super El Niño.
As always, welcome to the program. Glad to have you joining us. This is Focus on Africa. I'm Wahiga Mwaura. All right, let's begin the program with the latest from the FIFA World Cup, where Mexico beat South Africa in a dramatic opening match at a packed Azteca Stadium in Mexico City. Now, South Africa were playing at the finals for the first time since they hosted the tournament in 2010. but they finished with 9 men. World Cup co-host Mexico also ended the match with 10 players after a late red card. Well, after the opening round of Group A matches, South Africa sit bottom of the group following their defeat and must now regroup quickly, with South Korea's win over Czechia adding pressure ahead of their next game. Well, attention now turns to Africa's other teams in action this weekend. I'm talking about Brazil versus Morocco, Ivory Coast against Ecuador, Tunisia versus Sweden, we have Belgium versus Egypt, France against Senegal, and Argentina versus Algeria. But meanwhile, back to South Africa. Now, their fans had high hopes before the tournament, and they're now expressing disappointment after Thursday's result. We've been speaking to supporters on the streets of Johannesburg about Bafana's performance and what they hope to see next.
Very disappointing start to the World Cup. We expected a lot more from the boys. The very first problem was what our coach did to us. You cannot walk into an opener defensively.
This World Cup, and for World Cup we have to go all out. We have almost 6-7 players from Mamelodi Sundowns, of which are expected for us to play well. Those players are actually exposed to playing with other. Today I'm not happy.
Quite some reactions there. Well, the usual display of African unity at the start of a World Cup was notably absent on social media, with many fans across the continent instead backing Mexico in their opening match against South Africa. Some say their support is in protest to recent anti-migrant campaigns in South Africa.
I'm supporting Mexico because for what South Africa is doing in Africa, we are not happy. And we are fighting xenophobia.
In my heart, normally, I want to support South Africa. But the way they act recently, I'm supporting Mexico.
My heart said South Africa, but there is a but. The way they're treating African people, is sad.
All right, now to a trend on digital platforms that